Brain lets you easily train custom audio models for Morphosis. So, let's create a voice model with our own recording.
Ask her to bring these things with her from the store.
Make sure to carefully remove background noise and unwanted artifacts before training, using your favorite noise removal tools. For training, we recommend using between 5 and 10 minutes of speech. The recording should contain a wide variety of sounds, including sibilants, fricatives, and different speech patterns. The cleaner and more consistent the recording, the better the results will be.
Ask her to bring these things with her from the store. Ask her to bring these things with her from the store.
Once your recording is ready, simply drag and drop it into Brain. Here, you can enter the name of your model, choose the category where it will appear inside Morphosis, and add keywords to make it easier to find later. Now click Start Training and let Brain do the work. Training can take several hours. Why? Because Brain runs entirely on your machine. Your audio is never sent to a cloud server. Everything is processed using your computer's hardware. That's why we strongly recommend using a powerful machine with a dedicated GPU if possible. When training is complete, your model is automatically saved to your Documents folder. Now open Morphosis, go to the user tag, and load the model you've just created. And that's it. You can now apply the timbre of your custom model to any incoming sound. Here we have a male speech.
But without going all the way to be organic, so you can still use certain pesticides and so on.
Let's morph it into Claire, the model we've just created.
But without going all the way to be organic, so you can still use certain pesticides and so on.
But without going all the way to
Be organic, so you can still use
certain pesticides.
pesticides and so on.
Pretty cool. Et voilà. You can train voice models, but also musical instruments and sound effects. Now, let's start morphing.